Hi, my friends. I am come up with the best prediction for the Mahzooz upcoming draw, which is trying on 11th March 2023. It is grand draw prediction because the Mahzooz has upgraded its prices. Now it's time to win 20 million. Please look it carefully. I will show here the best pattern and best numbers. Friends, these are some past results in which the 38 number came as a last number. As you can see, this is the previous result. 38 number has come. According to this, I will show here how the numbers came in the next draw. First time, friends, when this thing was happened. After that, two numbers came from 1 to 9. Second time, only one number came from 1 to 9. 2. Third time again you can see the two numbers came from 1 to 9. Fourth time again only one number came from 1 to 9. Now according to this, in the next upcoming draw, two numbers should come from 1 to 9. Another thing you can see, first time only one number came from 10 to 19. 10 to 29, only one number came, that is 14. Second time, two numbers came from 10 to 29, 22 and 25. Third time again, only one number came from 10 to 29, that is 19. Fourth time again, you can see two numbers came from 10 to 29. Now, if they will continue this routine, then only one number should come from 10 to 29. Two numbers should come between 1 to 9 and one number should come between 10 to 29. Last, remaining two numbers you can see from 30 to 49, 30 and 46. Second time you can see two numbers from 30 to 49, 34 and 42. Third time again two numbers came from 30 to 49, 44 and 48. Fourth time again two numbers came from 30 to 49, 42 and 45. Now two numbers should come between 30 to 49. This is the powerful pattern for our upcoming draw. You should select your numbers, two numbers between 1 to 9. Only one number you should select between 10 to 29. From 20 number, you need to select only one number according to this routine. Remaining two numbers you should select from 30 to 49. Okay guys, this is the best pattern. My best numbers, my best 16 numbers out of 49 from 1 to 9. I have 5 numbers, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 9. From 10 to 29, 4 numbers, 14, 18, 24 and 26. From 30 to 49, I have 7 numbers, 30, 34, 35, 40, 43, 47 and 48. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers in these serials. You should select 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. Okay friends, this is my prediction for the upcoming draw of Mahzooz. This is the powerful pattern. the end. Good luck to all and goodbye.